Today we are going to interact with Mr. Shantanu Kumar on Save Future and Count Money from Sandal Cultivation. The format of the webinar will be as follows. I'll mute everyone in the audience except Mr. Shantanu Kumar, and then Mr. Shantanu will make his presentation. After we listen to him, we can ask him our question by typing in chat box in GoToMeeting, or you can also email me at ed@agricultureinformation.com. I repeat, ed@agricultureinformation.com. Then I'll forward the questions sent by you, and if we have time, I may unmute one or two members in the audience so that you can directly talk with Mr. Shantanu. Mr. Shantanu, I'm unmuting you now. You can start your presentation.
Yeah, thank you. Hello.
Yes, sir, please start.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I am Shantanu. Most welcome. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, please continue, sir.
Hello. Yeah, I am Shantanu. I am starting my presentation. Just I want to describe about the sandalwood plantation. Sandalwood plantation is very demandable and high approachable and also high foreign currency demanded. And anybody in India can.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sorry to disturb you. There is a lot of disturbance coming from background.
Okay, just
yeah.
Hello. Yeah, start.
Yeah, please start.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I'm Shantanu. Hello.
Yeah, please continue. Yeah, please continue.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
I am Shantanu. I just want to talk about sandalwood plantation with host crop. Sandalwood plantation is very demandable and also high approachable with getting the foreign currency, and also everywhere, every time we can get the profit. So anybody can contact me for sandalwood cultivation, and if you have any question about sandalwood plantation, kindly request call me. Okay. Hello.
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 Sir, your voice is still not clear, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, madam.
Yeah, shall we start
Hello.
taking up questions?
Yeah.
Yeah. Please, sir, just see to it background is silent, sir. Otherwise, we won't able to hear you.
Yeah, I have already asked the people.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. You're most welcome, all of you.
Hello.
Yeah, madam.
Can we start?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, start, please. Welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, start.
Yeah, audience, please start your questions now by typing in chat box. Sir, Surjit wants to know what are the prospects of sandalwood cultivation.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What are the prospects?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Prospect means that. Yeah. Prospect
what are the
means,
prospects of sandalwood cultivation?
Just I am typing. Prospect is better in future and everywhere, every time, every way. Because sandalwood plantation in our India is very rare, and also some Indian plantation
I'm
who
sorry, sir, your
all
voice
steps
is
are
not
not being
clear.
followed.
Your voice is not clear. We are not able to hear
Hello.
you. Yeah, a lot of
Okay,
disturbance.
okay, just I'll try.
I request audience, please stay tuned in with us.
Really,
Hello.
hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
madam. Now, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. Yeah. In sandalwood cultivation is very demandable, and without any hesitation, without any doubt, we can cultivate anywhere by the permission of government. Some states like as Tamil Nadu, Karnataka also given the amendment for farmers, and the Gujarat government and other governments also in the way to amendment their rules. Everywhere in India, Tamil Nadu, sandalwood cultivation government giving some subsidy also. So, and also with sandalwood plantation we necessary to plant host plant. So, if without any application, without any expenditure, we can get the more profit with host plant and plant everywhere every year also. Okay. Please.
Yeah. How many plants can be planted in 1 acre of land?
It's depend upon the host plant. By 9 by 9, nearby 524 plant with host plant. If you plant 8 by 8, that will be nearby 650 in plus host plant.
Okay.
Hello.
How many acre land is required we can cultivate sandalwood in drought areas?
That depend upon the cultivator.
Okay.
Depend
Surjit,
upon the
can you hear
cultivator.
us? Okay. So which sandalwood variety? Yes, sir.
This is a Centellum in our India. Centellum elam is the variety for cultivation. Family Centellaceae. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. If we start today, after how many years the profit can be earned from sandalwood plantation?
From sandalwood plantation, we can get the profit after just starting after 12 years, 10 years, after 10 years. And after 10 years, just we will crowning the unwanted trunks. So then the rest, the whole trunk, single trunk will be get the more profit at the time of maturity. It will come 15 years from today.
Okay. So these days the prices are going up. So we have cheaper solution for
Yeah,
almost everything. So do you think the sandalwood has brighter future?
Yeah, 100% brighter future.
Okay.
Because everywhere demand is too much high and the supply is too much low. Just 1% and 100% demand.
Okay. Sir, Venugopal wants to know, is there any government ceiling limit? The area of cultivation by
No,
individual
nothing,
farmer?
nothing.
So there is no limit.
No limit, sir. No.
Okay. I request audience, please continue asking questions. So what will be the cost of one plant?
It's depend upon the area, approximately 50 to 60 rupees planting cost, plants cost.
Okay. So where and how to identify the genuine buyers of sandalwood?
Genuine buyers means we can check the planting material. By genuine buyers, you can get the, for example, everywhere, any type of marketing, we will search by net. So, if we want to sell our product or genuine product, we can get in net also. The buyers will come in your field. They will collect the material.
Okay. So, but sir, we have heard, I mean, government only buy from us the sandalwood.
Yeah, that's 100%. But not Karnataka government and Tamil Nadu government are amendment their rules. And the other government also, the rules is just you sow the plant to state government. They will sell through the state government. Your field.
Okay. Sir, after how many days harvesting will take place?
After how many days? After cutting. After harvest means, the maturity period is 12 to 15 years.
12 to 15 years. Okay.
Yeah.
Any registration has to be done with the government?
Yeah.
So, can you tell us the
Department
procedure?
of Forest,
Yeah.
Department of Forest, Natural Horticulture Board, State National Medicinal Plant Board, the both are required registration. And also Forest Department, Department of Forest State.
Okay.
Hello?
In what ways can the sandalwood farmers get good price for their sandalwood?
By information technology, we can get the net also. The sandalwood buyer, we can receive any time, every time, the buyers. If you have sandalwood plants and you have any cultivation, you can show your field capacity and your land system and focus the net also. And you can get the buyers also.
Okay. I request Alex, Meena, Rajni, Surjit and Venugopal, please continue asking questions. Sir, Venugopal wants to know, if we would like to extract oil, do we have to take permission from government to market, or government will take all the production?
It's depend upon the state. If Venugopal working in Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, that's not possible, not impossible. They can go directly. Otherwise, if the other, except the two states, permission is necessary.
Okay. Sir, Alex wants to know, can we get training for this cultivation and where?
I can provide the cultivation technique in farmer's farm if they are ready to arrange the training.
Okay. Is there any fees for your cultivation information or the consultation fee?
Yeah. For training purpose, 10,000 per fees and plus traveling cost by train.
Okay.
And hostel, lodging and boarding also provided by the parties. 10,000 training cost. 2 days.
Okay. Sir, do you sell the plants?
Yeah, I can arrange the plants also, both host plant and the sandalwood plants also.
Okay. And how to take care of these plants?
I will arrange for meeting and I will show how to care, how to manage the field, how to prepare the field, and how to management system total after planting, after getting the plants up to 1 year.
Okay.
I will provide the training also.
Okay. So can you please recommend some nursery plant for both host and sandalwood plant?
Yeah, nursery plants so many because the sandalwood plants require nitrogen fixation plants, nitrogen dependent. So you can start the first primary stage. You can start the just leguminous family,
Mm-hmm.
and after that banana, anar, orange, nemoria,
Okay.
etc.
So our members would like to know how long you have been into this.
How long?
You
Sorry?
have been into this, the sandalwood plantation.
Just nearly 6 to 7 years.
Okay. So
Last
Alex,
6 to 7 years.
yeah. Alex wants to know registration as a farmer is required with the concerned authority.
Yeah, the concerned authority means the farmer.
No, no.
Farmer is necessary to register the forest department of
Yeah. Please continue.
as a farmer. Register as a farmer is required with the concerned authority. Yeah, concerned authority means National Horticultural State of Medicinal Plant Board or Department of Forest State.
Okay. So they also want to know about yield both in terms of wood and oil per acre.
Per acre we can get the yield 15 to 20 kilograms per acre, per tree.
Okay.
Per tree we will plant minimum approximately 550 plants per acre.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in what ways can the sandalwood farmers get good price for their sandalwood?
By international market, and we can our product is just like as your website, agricultureinformation.com, and other website also having. You can focus your product. The buyers will easily come.
Okay.
Because myself also starting my business also from agricultureinformation.com. I have no others.
Okay. Thanks a lot, sir. Yeah. So Venugopal wants to know, he's from
I have
Kanna. Yeah. Please carry on.
Yeah, I am also the most valuable personality agricultureinformation.com. Only by the help of I have already returned from South Africa and Dubai. Only for cultivation system by the help of agriculture ministry. So easily anybody I can sure that if you are member the agricultureinformation.com, you post your yield to the sale department, 200% you will get the maximum to maximum buyers. Yes, okay.
Okay. Mr. Venugopal wants to know, he's from Karnataka and would like to export the oil. What permissions are necessary for this?
Yeah, export permission also it depends upon the state, international state. If you are selling the product to USA and then you follow the rules of USA by the laboratory report. Your materials laboratory report you send the USA, and after laboratory report with sample, they will prefer, then you can send the report.
Okay. So next is, what is the approximate amount of sandalwood available from one plant after 10 to 12 years?
Madam, minimum just now the minimum rate is 5,000 rupees per kg.
Mm-hmm.
So 15 to 5,000 rupees per kg. You will get the yield minimum 20 kg per yield per plant. 20 kg into 5,000.
Okay. So is export allowed by our government?
Yeah. Export allowed, fully for allowed, but you will get through the permission also.
Okay. So what are the incentives?
Incentives depend upon the state, up to 30% or 35%.
Okay.
Hello.
So what revenues can we expect from 1 acre?
1 acre means approximately if you are planting 5,550, just less than 20% any type of losses. Now 400 plants into 20 kg into 5,000, just to calculate.
Okay. So what are the
4,000
legal?
plants per
Yeah.
acre. What are the legal? Legal means only by the permission from the permission from the Department of Forestry, state.
Okay.
State permission means only for except the Karnataka government and Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu government and Karnataka government already amendment their rules. The owner of the cultivator is landowner is the cultivator, sandalwood. But in the other state, you will go through the state forest department.
Okay. Audience, okay. Is there any special tax for marketing like VAT, etc., VAT?
Yeah. All are not sales tax, income tax, plus also because it is a product, not you are sending the raw material. You are product sending. That's all type of tax applicable depend upon the state.
Mm-hmm. So, sir, can you tell us what is the percentage of, this tax?
I can't say because if all states having other percentage.
What about Karnataka, sir?
I think nearby 12% or 18%, 12 to 18%.
Okay. Audience, please continue asking questions. Sir, if we want to export in foreign countries, then what are the legal formalities?
Legal formality, it's depend upon the first I have already asked you. If you are in Karnataka,
Mm-hmm.
that means you are free, but you will apply for export to government. They will permit easily because already rules are already amended. And first, every other country, they want to laboratory test. Laboratory testing. First, they want to sample with laboratory testing.
Okay.
After that, you can send material.
Okay. So, do you help in marketing of the yield?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay. Can you put light on this?
I will also go through your website. I have no other go through your website.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Is there any subsidy available for this cultivation?
Yeah. From central government, national medicinal plant board or state medicinal plant board, they are getting subsidy.
Okay. What should be the minimum capacity for setting up extracting unit?
What should be the minimum capacity? It depends upon the unit. If you are launching the 10 kilo, 10 kilo, 20 kilo, 50 kilo, depend upon the unit capacity. Machine capacity.
Okay. Audience, if you have any further questions, please type in. So, what are the difficulties faced by you when you came into this sandalwood plantation?
Most and maximum difficulties to create the awareness to the people, and secondly, except the two states, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, other state is without any permission, you can't sell the product. You go through the state and collect the subsidy, and you go through the marketing from state. So just I collect the material, I collect the all evidence to the people and ask that you go through easy. That's the easy way that the government will now to promote the farmers cultivate the sandalwood. They will give the service subsidy also and give the permission easy way.
Okay. Sir, Rajni wants to know what are your consultation charges?
How much? consultation 7,500 rupees consultation charges.
Okay. Rajni, his consultation fee is
Training charges 10,000
7,500.
rupees.
Yeah. Sir, does sandalwood grow well in high rainfall area?
High rainfall is maximum
Mr. Shantanu, we can't hear you. I request all the members, please stay in tune with us. He'll be back in few seconds. Hello.
Yeah, madam.
Yeah. Shall we start, sir?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Shall we start?
Hello. Yeah.
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 Sir, Surjit wants to know in which state you started the cultivation.
Just now I have already started Maharashtra.
Okay.
Just the latest.
Okay. Venugopal wants to know how much water is required for 10 acres.
How much water just depend upon the moisture of the land, soil, moisture of the soil. It's a very high dry area. That means it will require just weekly 2 days, weekly 2 to 3 days irrigation.
The Alex
Hello.
wants to know some of the areas in Maharashtra are drought areas. Can we grow sandalwood in this area?
Yeah, depend upon if you are providing better irrigation system, then we can start also. Because I have already started in Maharashtra drought area
Mm-hmm.
in Jalgaon
Okay.
near Nagpur.
Okay. So what will be the expenditure per acre per year?
I have already, if the people are giving the mail also, then I can provide all the equation for the cultivator.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Audience, please continue asking questions if you have
My-
any
my-
further questions. Sir, please share your mail address and the
My
contact
mail.
number. Yeah.
Yeah. I just make contact number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, Surjit wants to know how can he get a detailed project report on the same?
Just wait. Just.
Yeah.
If this is my mail ID, please contact me. I can provide the project report also. It will be chargeable, 5,000 rupees per project.
Okay. Surjit, you will be charged for the project
Hello,
report.
Manmad area also. Yeah. Project report charge is 5,000.
Okay. Sir, what about Manmad area in Maharashtra? Will it be good for cultivation?
Yeah, Manmad, and I have Manmad and Jalgaon, which is very nearby. It's only 1.5 hour journey.
Mr. Venugopal, he has shared his email ID and mobile number. You want me to repeat? His mobile number is 09993327344 and his email ID is shantanu_1412@yahoo.com. Audience, any more questions for time being? I request all the members to ask your questions. Okay. Alex, Meena, Surjit, Venugopal, Rajni, Meena, any questions? Okay. Sir, I hope
Anybody
there
can contact me anytime.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope there are no more questions for time being. And if the audience has any further questions, please visit agricultureinformation.com under online education in webinar thread. You can also post your question under this link and continue the discussion directly with Mr. Shantanu. I request all the audience to please fill this feedback form on today's talk. And I would also like to inform the recording of this talk will be uploaded in webinar thread of our discussion forum. And I would like to thank Mr. Shantanu and all the members for joining us. And before ending this meeting, I would also like to let you know regarding our site. It's www.vmgmart.com, where you can find all the agriculture products. Please visit our site if you need any agri products or any information. So this is an event organized by agricultureinformation.com. Please visit our webinar thread under the online education section for updates on forthcoming events. So once again, I would like to thank all the members and Mr. Shantanu for joining us. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll be closing this meeting now. Have a nice day, everyone.
Yeah.
And our next webinar will be on Thursday. Please do join us.
Thank you.
Thank you.